Welcome back, everyone. If Telegram is using too much of your mobile data by automatically downloading photos, videos, and files, this quick guide will show exactly how to turn that off. It only takes a few taps, and once you change this setting, Telegram will stop downloading media automatically when you're on mobile data. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. In the top left corner, tap the menu icon, or if you're using the newer layout, tap your profile icon instead. This will open the main menu where all your Telegram settings are stored. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything from notifications to privacy, appearance, and data usage. Once you're inside Settings, look for the option called Data and Storage and tap on it. Now you'll see several options related to how Telegram handles internet and storage usage. Scroll until you find Automatic Media Download. Under that section, you should see an option labeled When Using Mobile Data. This setting controls whether Telegram downloads media automatically while you are connected to your cellular network. To stop that behavior, simply toggle off when using mobile data. As soon as you switch it off, Telegram will no longer automatically download media over mobile data. That means no more unexpected data usage from large videos, images, or files being downloaded in the background. This is a great setting to change if you want to save data, keep your phone storage under control, or avoid automatic downloads when you're not on Wi-Fi. You can still manually download any media you want later, so you stay in full control. And that's it. You've now disabled automatic media download on mobile data in Telegram. If this helped, make sure to check your other Telegram data settings too, because a few small changes can make a big difference in performance and data savings.